with tunnels and trains, and I have a little break right here so it can go. I have a big, huge set of trains, and I have blocks that hold it, and while it's holding it, it will not fall. But if it's not holding it, it'll fall. So that's why I have, because I wanted to go to the couch. I don't have special kind of trains that can do that stuff, like Cranky or anything, because Cranky could hold them. So I'm going to be showing you how the trains can go. And I have Thomas right here. He's new. And I'm going to set them up right here. And as they go right here, they're going to go through that part. So the stoppers like this, so they won't go too fast. But they're going to go past this trigger and fall. I already know. So I'm going to move the switcher right here to stop it. That's the stopper going to start right here. And then that's how they won't curve right there and fall over. When they was coming down this bridge, he had fell. Let me show you. And he did that. So that's why I don't want him to go in here anymore. So anyways, I'm going to pit him first because he's good at driving on the tracks. And I'm just going to let him go. Oh, sorry. If you know what I missed, comment down below and tell me. I'm just going to tell you right now, I missed this. I was supposed to do it before then, but I forgot. He's going to probably fall like right here. Okay. Now I have to reset him. Okay. Yes, it worked. As you can see, it stopped. And now he's going to go up, and he's going to go that way. It's okay, Thomas. Don't be shy. You did this before. You did this before. Okay. And that's it. Bye.